Cold-hearted girl, don't hurt me like this anymore. I'm waiting right outside your door, saying, baby, can we talk? Stupid boy, you keep on begging, but I won't let you in. You keep on crying, but you know what you did. I'll never let you back in.